Did you know one woman's final words brought down an empire and created the Roman Republic? Her name was Lucretia, wife of a Roman nobleman in 509 BC. Prince Sextus Tarquinius had just assaulted her in her own home, threatening to kill her and frame her for adultery if she resisted. And the next morning Lucretia called her father and husband to witness her shame. She stood before them, trembling but determined. "Though I absolve myself of sin, I do not free myself from punishment," she declared. "Let no unchaste woman live through Lucretia's example." Then she plunged a dagger into her heart. Her husband's friend Brutus pulled the bloody blade from her chest and swore an oath that would change history. "By this blood, most pure before a prince's crime, I swear before you gods that I will pursue Tarquin the Proud with sword, fire, and whatever force I can." The people rose in rebellion. The monarchy fell within days. The Roman Republic was born from one woman's courage to choose death over dishonor. Her sacrifice created a political system that would dominate the world for centuries.